Welcome to Wellbore Genie Tips and Tricks Tutorials. In this video, we're going to cover editing options for Wellbore schematics. For this example, we'll open up the builder and load and draw a pre-built vertical well with an under-reamed and gravel pack completion and a pre-drilled liner. If we select the Wellbore schematic, we can click and move it wherever we wish on the worksheet. We can also resize it with the corner handles or side handles. And if we completely mess it up, no worries at all. We can just refresh it or delete it and draw it again with the builder. One of the great benefits of Wellbore Genie being integrated into Excel is that you have the full power of Excel to use along with Wellbore Genie. If we go up to the Wellbore Genie ribbon, we have the built-in Excel Arrange tools accessible. These are your standard tools for arranging from front to back, aligning and grouping, and rotating objects and images. One of the most handy tools in this section is the selection pane. When we select it, the selection pane appears on the right-hand side of the worksheet, and listed in the selection pane is all the objects that make up the Wellbore schematic. From here, we can easily pinpoint and select specific objects to hide or to modify the properties as needed. For example, we'll scroll down to the plug fill group at the bottom. Using the eyeball function on the right, we can hide and unhide the metallic fill in the holes of the liner by toggling the eyeball on the right. Now we'll leave the holes selected. We're going to edit these holes by using the built-in Excel capabilities. We'll right-click on the holes and select Format Picture. Now you'll notice on the right, the Format Picture toolbar is visible. Let's make those holes more numerous. We'll click the paint bucket at the top, drop down the Fill menu, and in the Picture Source section, we'll adjust the Scale X and Scale Y down to 50. And as you can see on the diagram, there are now twice as many holes. Let's do one more example and change how the intermediate casing appears. We'll click the selection pane icon on the far right to bring back open the selection pane. Under the casing string group, we'll select both casing 2L and casing 2R. Then we'll click back over to the Format Picture icon on the far right to bring the format options up again. Under the Paint Bucket menu, we'll expand the Line menu and change the color to red. Now you can see the casing 2 has been made red. With any schematic built by Wellbore Genie, you have the full power of Excel to edit it however you see fit. You can change the colors, fill, line colors, line styles, borders, sizes, or any other property that exists in Excel, giving you endless capabilities to create diagrams however you wish to see them. This concludes this tips and tricks tutorial. Be sure to check out more videos to learn about all the features of Wellbore Genie.